Hello everyone. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So today we'll understand one question which is based on equilibrium of particle. Your NCERT example 4.6. This question is given in language. Okay, I have taken here in a picture format. Okay, what it is given exactly? A 6 kg mass is hanging by one what? By one rope here. Length 1 meter, and here one force is given 50 Newton here at this point, and here with the vertical, and here some connection is there with the string, and from the vertical the string is making an angle theta. Dotted line is vertical direction. Now question they are asking, find a angle theta, and the system is in equilibrium. This point is in equilibrium, mass is in equilibrium, everything in equilibrium. Okay. So what you have to do first, how to approach this? Now to solve this question, this type of question, first you need to understand free body diagram perfectly, and all the forces acting at each and every point. Suppose this point I will take, this point P is in equilibrium. Okay. Now this point P, what are all the forces acting, that one I will try to understand. All of you listen. If this point P I will take, on this point P I will make a vertical direction like this and one horizontal direction like this. Now this one I will tell point P. Point what? P. Okay. Now all of you listen carefully. Now in this direction one tension is there. This in this string one tension is there, that is T1. And here downward one tension is there, that is what? T2. From the vertical T1 making an angle how much? Theta. That theta we need to find. This is the question. Now next listen. Here this is T2. 6 kg mass is there, and you know any mass M is always experiences a force, gravitational force in a downward direction. That is basically mass times acceleration due to gravity. So 6 into g, that one I can write 6 into g value take 10, how much it is? 60 Newton. So 60 Newton force is downward, but this particle is in equilibrium. So this T2 will be equal to 60 Newton. Why? Now if a particle is at equilibrium, suppose this 6 kg is in equilibrium, then whatever force acting upward direction T2 and whatever force acting in downward direction 60 Newton will be equal. Upward force should be equal to what? Downward force. That means this T2 value how much coming now? 60 Newton. Why? Now because this particle is in equilibrium. Okay. So upward force equal to downward force. Clear idea? This is the equilibrium concept. And if left side some force is there, that should be equal to right side force. Yes or no? So that concept to remember. Now here like this it is coming, and here one force is given. How much that force? 50 Newton. It is given in question. And this T1 has two components. One in vertical direction, another in horizontal direction. Can you tell what is vertical component here? T1 cos theta. What is horizontal direction, can you tell? T1 sin theta. Yes or no? Now see, this P is at equilibrium. P is at equilibrium. If a point is in equilibrium, already you know. What you know? Your upward force should be equal to downward force, and left side force should be equal to right side force. Yes or no? So as P at equilibrium, so all vertical force, that means T1 cos theta, okay, T1 sin theta, left side force, T1 sin theta is equal to 50, and T2 cos theta, so that is T1 cos theta. T1 cos theta, let me write clearly. T1 cos theta, that is equal to 60. This is your equation 1, and this is your equation what? 2. Now divide these two equations. What you do? You do 1 divided by 2. What will get? T1 sin theta by T1 cos theta, that is equal to what? 50 by 60. Now T1 cancels. Yes or no? 0 cancels. So what will get at last, you tell? So tan theta equal to 5 by 6. I need to find theta. So theta equal to what? Tan inverse 5 by 6. What is tan inverse 5 by 6? You will calculate, this is approximately 40 degree. How many degree? 40. Or you can keep theta equal to tan inverse 5 by 6. No worries. So here what concept you applied? When a particle is at equilibrium, then total upward force equal to total downward force. And total left side force equal to total right side force. Yes or no? This concept you applied and you got the answer. Yes or no? Please note it down. Boys, any doubt is there? If any doubt is there, you ask please. Tan inverse 5 by 6. So one question is given. In this question you find theta angle for which the system is in equilibrium. Whole the system is in equilibrium. So how T2 becoming 60 Newton, I have explained here. T2. So this object is at equilibrium, so T2 upward force equal to downward force, so T2 equal to 60. So this is your angle made by T1 with the vertical direction theta. Okay ma? Please note it down. No doubt here? No doubt? Okay. Thank you all of you. Subscribe NEET Academy YouTube channel. All the very best.